Hi everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is going to be a different quick like. Usually I do a little fast video from a prior video and I put to some cute little toe tapping music. But today I wanted to share with you a little mystery box, and I'm going to open it with you, so it'll be a mystery for all of us. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So welcome. This is just a little different on my Saturday. So I went and got my hair cut yesterday, so I kind of went back to my old cut. I was going to try to grow it, and then I just couldn't get past that stage. You know, it gets to that point where you can't do anything with it, and you just have to get past that, and then it's okay, but I never can get past it, so I was like, no, just get my old cut back. My hair seems to like it, and then it can kind of do whatever it wants. So anyway, so Alma was telling me about a store not too far from the salon, and it's like an Asian store, and she says they have so much, like, stuff that you don't even know, like, and the prices are weird, and like, because the writing is like in another language and everything. So she said, just go look at it, because I was going to do some antique shopping while I was over in Chandler. So she said, just hop on over there, because it was just like, you know, there's a couple little streets away from the hair salon. So I was like, okay. So I went into there, and I think I just I was overwhelmed. I was like, oh my gosh, like there was just so much. So I want to go another time where I didn't have to get back home, you know. So I just got some nail clippers or whatever. But then there was a store next door to it that I went into, and they had like toys and Disney stuff, and oh my gosh, so much stuff. So I picked up a couple things for Eric because his birthday's coming up. And I picked myself up something as well. So remember when we went to Disney, I got my little Lotso, and he's just and he smells like strawberry. And I also picked up this little guy who's still by my desk, and he's got a little magnet so you can like hook him, you know, on your lapel or whatever. But I have the big Lotso. This guy doesn't smell like strawberry. But anyways, I just love Lotso. So anyways, so I was looking around in there for stuff for Eric, and look what I found. Lotso's room. So we're going to open this up together today. So it's like a mystery box. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different rooms that it could be. And I thought, okay, I will try it, because I used to always do the little mystery boxes for my Walking Dead, and it was the same kind of thing. You did not know what you were going to get. So I think it would show a picture on the back. So you kind of had an idea like, okay, well, because this is like 1 out of 7. But I think when it was the Walking Dead mystery ones, I think it was like 1 out of 12 or something like that. So like it would be like, so this is Daryl, and then there's Rick, there's Maggie. I have a whole bunch of them. So this kind of reminded me of that. I'll just set these guys over here. Jeff, they're up in my cupboard, and Jeff built me like these wooden stair step things so you could see like a whole bunch of them. And I don't even know if they do those anymore. But I got to the last couple seasons, and I would just buy like the whole box like the store would get, so I would have more of a chance of getting not a repeat. That's just how crazy I am. But anyways, so that's what this kind of reminded me of. So yeah, so I'm gonna spin my camera. We're gonna open this together and see what I get. I don't even know which one I hope for. They all look cute. And the store have them in a case. So you can see all of them behind this glass case. And they had so many cute ones. I was like a kid. Like, I love stuff. I mean, you can see all over my studio. I mean, I'm like 60 years old, and I have like toys everywhere. But they had a lot that weren't in stock. So I'm like, okay. So I think Eric's gonna like what I got for him, and I think maybe he'll go, oh, let's go back sometime, and then hopefully they will, because they had some really, really cute stuff. So anyways, and if I have a little bag somewhere, but they put it in a bag, for the name of it. But it wasn't too far. Doesn't matter. Okay, so let's get this open. So close your eyes just for a second while I get my camera adjusted. Okay, so here you can see it a little bit better. And see what I mean by it's in Chinese writing. And I even picked up some, like a candy. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm going to have to get more of those candies because they were so good. All right, so I just don't know what it's going to be. There's Delicious Paradise, Tea Time, Dress Up Moment, Travel Plans, Beautiful Melody, Sweet Dream, and then there's a Secret Room. Okay. So this is a real unboxing. Like usually when I do my unboxing for the stamps, I usually have opened them, you know, and I kind of get them a little coordinated. So it's not like an official unboxing. So this one is, because we're both going to be surprised. Okay, so what room do we have? All right, so they're all wrapped up cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, look how cute. All right, so let's see what I'm supposed to do here. Are they supposed to go in this room? Okay, so what room did I get? I got Sweet Dream. I got the bed. Oh, look how cute. Oh my gosh. Now there's a little bit of crud there. I don't know what that is. All right, so I don't know if we're supposed to, like, maybe this gets bent back. Like, all right, I'm just going to think that this, well, it can't get bent back like that. Oh, all right, I don't know. Oh, I'm thinking this comes off, right? Because that's perforated, so that tells me that comes off. Okay. So, and then I think this must fold like this. And then this probably goes in here. I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just like guessing. Okay. And then I think we can put them inside the room. So see, there's like a little carpeting. There's like a stereo. So I think that just must stand up. Now I probably won't put them in the box. I'll put them probably on my, I have, you know, those stamp cupboards or whatever, or anywhere. But look at how cute. So you've got this cute little mirror, and it looks like there's coating on it. So we're going to take a little piece of tape. Maybe not. Oh, see? A little piece of tape. And now I can actually see myself. Look, you can see my face right there. Hello. All right, so we have our cute little mirror. Oh, look, it tells you what to do with it. But it's in another language. But I think I did it right. Oh, no, I didn't do it right. This is supposed to be like a house. So it's a house. I don't know. I don't know. It doesn't matter because I'm not going to put it in there anyways. All right. And then we have our little Lotso. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look how cute he is. He's even got his little pull tag. Look at him. He's ready for bed. And oh my gosh. See? I am 6-year-old, but you think I was like 5. Look at his slippers. Now the thing is, like, when I go back and grab another one, I could get a repeat. You just never know. That's why I was buying that box when I would do the Walking Dead ones. And my repeats, I'd always like send to my sister. All right, so let's see what this is. What is this? Oh, this looks like a table. This looks like a little table. Get on out of there. It is packed so nice. It is so, oh, look it. I don't think that opens. Nope. Look at that. So that's a little nightstand. And then look at the bed. Oh my gosh. I should have got 2. With my luck, I would have got 2 of the same. And look at the bed. So we have little Lotso. So he can be sitting on the bed with his little slippers. So sweet. And his little nightstand. And he's got his little mirror. Isn't that so cute? Oh my gosh. So you are, like, you're supposed to put it in here, but like I said, you know, I'm not going to. But, so, oh my gosh. Isn't that so cool? Oh my gosh. I'm going to have to go get another one. This is why I have toys everywhere. Because it's like, I can't just have one. So I'm hoping Eric will go, can we go to that store? And that will be my excuse. But oh my gosh, look at, he is so cute. So I just sit him on his bed. He is so adorable. And look at the little bed. So I can't, so what else was there? There was like a kind of like a kitchen with a refrigerator, a pot, a toaster. Then there's dress up. And then I got Sweet Dreams, which is so fun. And then there's Beautiful Melody, which looks like it's maybe in the living room. Travel plans. Oh, there's luggage. And then tea time. So adorable. So hopefully that's okay. I came in and showed you, you know, something different. I wonder if there's one that he, you know, if you got one, he could actually wear those slippers. Because this guy is sitting, like he doesn't move. But it is so fun because now I cut a little tag off my Lotso, even though they left it on his butt. Okay, so I'm gonna stop blabbing. So hopefully you have a good weekend, and then next week I'll go back to my regular quick like. But I just wanted to do the unboxing with you just to see how fun this is. So let me know if you've ever done this, and let me go get a little bag. So here's the little bag that they gave. And I was going to check the receipt, and I need to see if they charged me for the bag, because it's a nice little reusable one. So it looks like Tesso Life. So www.tessolife.com. That's where I got it. So it's super, super cute. So if you are in Arizona, I'll just put this in the car and I'll have it for next time. If you live in Arizona, it's in Chandler and Pennington and Chandler Boulevard maybe. If you don't live in Arizona, you're probably going, I don't care what street. But anyway, so that's where I got it from. All right, so I'm going to stop blabbing. I will see you Monday for my Mimeograph Monday with a twist. Have a super, super great weekend, and I'll see you then. All right, bye for now.